Hi YouTube, it's me Naruto Gamer again, because, well, you don't think it's again, but for me it's 2 times in a row. I tried doing the first P2 and my computer died before I could upload it, and then the second P2 that I was gonna make, my computer died in the middle of the video making, and it just took away all of the things I saved, so I have to make a new Pikachu model, get a new Pikachu Donald Trump hair, and get the eyes and the nose and the mouth. Well, I meant to modify the hair. I meant to take off all the Donald Trump things, because in P2 I was going to show you that I actually had like the hair and the eyes and nose and mouth as a new product to it, and then I was going to add pause, but I didn't get to, so yeah. So now, I'm gonna do the third P2. Okay, so let's go do this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the arms off him, and then, why don't I just take the paws off? Yeah, I'm just gonna take the paws off. I take the paws off Doge over here. Put this paw right here. Oh, that looks really cool. That looks really cool. Really cool. I'm just gonna paste that. Oh, no, no. Oh, okay. I'll just do that, I guess. Right, copy this. I can't. I have an idea. No, I can't. Let's do Let's do this again. It's gonna be a really long process because I have to make it perfect because I have ADHD. Okay, that's pretty horrible. But okay. That doesn't look right at all. I just noticed this thing looks really creepy. Like, one eye's down here, one eye's up here, one the nose is over here, and then the mouth is like gigantic, and the hair is like. And if you didn't notice, that's Donald Trump's. I think my next video is gonna be on Gmod, if you all know what that is. And yeah, so what else should I make him merge with? Well, I guess with Roblox. No. Er, er. Um. Oh, I have an idea. You have no idea what I'm doing. Now he's a little Teletubby. Why does it have to look so creepy? Okay. Let's do this again. Let's go over here, over here. Alright. What was I gonna do? Oh. Puppies! They're so creepy! I'm dead. Oh, I'm alive. I got resurrected by these creepy. Okay, I'm alive. I don't know what that was. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't want to do that ever again. It's kind of weird. Okay. Soul, fa, mi, re, do, adir, famalder, re, chapaconsan, mi, me, kame, xiao, pa, ju, whoa, that actually fits. That looks good. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take little pose, little thingy. That's a little weird. Why did they make it that shape? I don't know. Oh, probably because he's a girl. Wait, that's. I shouldn't have said that. Now I'm gonna get a lot of hate. Getting a lot of hate. Getting a lot of hate is the best. Yeah. No, it's not. It's not. And the eyes of the angels go farther. I don't even know how the song goes. Gonna delete this Pikachu's ear and replace it with Poe's little thingamajigger. Cause like, ha 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 ha. I'm purring, I'm pooping, and you're You shouldn't go lower. Here, take this, black. Gypsy, la la, po, Teletubbies, Teletubbies, say hello. I have an idea. I'm gonna put the Teletubbies song on. Teletubbies. Is that how you spell it? No, that's not how you spell it. Teletubbies. There you go.
I carry light for my younger
Song.
siblings to show them the way.
10 hours.
I carry light for the people who have
Teletubbies.
big dreams.
Teletubbies. Say
That never had a
hello.
family. It's gonna sound so corny, I know, but I do carry light for the world. I can sit on peace. If we just started,
You guys have to see.
So I chose Capella University's
Oh,
FlexPath
I'm.
program and moved
I
forward
never
at
liked
exactly
this.
the pace I wanted. Whether I finished a course in 2 weeks or 12, once I was
Oh
done,
shoot!
I
It's
could
because
move
there's.
on without waiting. And
Uh-oh.
What the? I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's what it looked like before. Okay, so. Oh my. It's about to stop.
Teletubbies everywhere.
Bye. Bye 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 bye. Gypsy.